Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis just yesterday on Wednesday, but the friendly reminder here, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first question to ask yourself, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the video in the previous days, but question number one, and let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now, is where's the price at relative to the 4,000 mark, which is that red line right there. Like I said, if you've watched my videos from the past, you know I've talked about that. And surprise, surprise, you can see over the past 24 hours, that level has really been a thorn in the side of the price. Now, I'm not saying the price can't get above it or anything. I'm just saying that according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above that level and then be able to stay up above it. So the point here being that if you are answering this question 15 hours from now that the price is still down below 4,000, that doesn't mean anything's wrong or anything, and we'll get to it. That could imply something's wrong, but one step at a time here. However, if you're answering the question, well, actually, Clay, the price is up above 4,000, well, then that's where some common sense and gut instincts comes into play. I mean, if you're answering the question that the price is just right there, okay, don't get me wrong, that's good. The price is up above 4,000. Now, if you're answering the question, the price is all the way up there, well, that's telling you that, since I've done this video, the bulls have really come back to life that much more, and, a breakout would be underway. But as of right now, and, as of the recording, the price is still just slightly, consolidating down below that $4,000 mark. Now, earlier I mentioned, well, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 4,000, that is where the next set of questions comes into play. And that first set would be, where's the price at relative to that purple line there, the 50-period moving average? And that's right there around the 3,900 mark. If you're answering the question, the price is still up above 3,900, then at that point, I would say that's still totally a perfectly healthy consolidation where the price would, still be within a tight little range here. Now, even if you are answering the question that the price is down below that purple line, at that point, you would say, all right, well, where's the price now at relative to 38.50, which is that green line right there. And in some event, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 38.50, at that point, that's suggesting that something is potentially wrong and that the bears are, starting to really flex their muscles and potentially take back over full control of the chart. But as of right now, really the main question that's going in the next. So I'm kind of jealous of those of you watching this 15, 20 hours from now, because you're going to know, did the price finally get the break here? Or did it get rejected back down? But, asking yourself and then taking kind of an inventory of check of where the price is at relative to 4,000, as of the time you're watching this is really going to keep this video relevant until I'm back 24 hours from now to update it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.